We are here in the shaded courtyard and I absolutely love this. It's about 10 degrees cooler than what it is outside. You have this long hallway right here. You can pull up a chair, look out straight to the street, enjoy the weather, and it also creates this dramatic entry right to the house. So we are in a 2,810 square foot property, over 10,000 square foot lot. This is just one of the family rooms, and yes, that is a fireplace, one of two in this property. Come take a look. This primary bedroom is huge. You can fit all your furniture in here with no issue at all. Check this out. So there are 3 full bathrooms in this home. The one right behind me is the guest bathroom that the guests would use. It's also attached to this second bedroom over to my left. You've seen all the possibility with the inside of this house. Now come take a look at my favorite part. This is such a gorgeous spot right here. I love this backyard. You have the turf that you can easily lay out some chairs on to relax. You can also maybe build like a little tiki hut or a bar, make it a lot of fun. You can put some cornhole out here. You have the pool, you can go swimming right there. It's a huge backyard. You actually have this amazing side lot as well that goes all the way up here. So this wood right here is obviously where the pool equipment is, but all this. So if you got some creativity, you can have some fun with that. But amazing backyard, amazing property, amazing home. Thank you so much for checking out my listing at 11748 Corrigan Place in the Vistas in Summerlin.